Now let us learn about the ordinals. Let us learn about the ordinals. Here pehla awwal means first. Okay, I came first in running. I came first in running. मैं running race में पहला आया. मैं running race में पहला आया. Then दूसरा means second. दूसरा means second. Here मैं एग्जीबिशन में दूसरा आया. मैं एग्जीबिशन में दूसरा आया. Then तीसरा means third. हमारी बच्चे चित्र करने में तीसरा आएंगे. Okay, तीसरा आएंगे. Our children got third prize in drawing. Then 14 means fourth. 14 means fourth. Okay. Then पांचवा means fifth. पांचवा means fifth. Okay. मैं पांचवा कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ. Okay, मैं पांचवा कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ means I am studying in 5th standard, like that. Then chadwa chada means 6th. Okay, all the human beings having 6th sense. Okay. Then satwa means 7th. Satwa means 7th. Then atwa means 8th. Atwa means 8th. Here Nawa means 9th. Then Daswa means 10th. Okay, Daswa means 10th. आज की 10वां की कक्षा के छात्र हिंदी पढ़ रहे हैं. आज की 10वां की कक्षा में मैं हिंदी सिखाती हूँ. I am teaching Hindi to the 10th students, 10th standard students. Okay, like that we can say the ordinals easily. That pehla awwala means first, then dusra means second, then तीसरा means third. Here चौदह means fourth. Okay, चौदह means fourth. Then पांचवा means fifth. We are having पांचवा उंगलियां in our hand. Okay, then chadwa means okay sixth. Then satwa, okay, satwa means seventh. Then atwa means eighth. Okay, atwa means आठवा लगाकर चलना हमारी शरीर के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. Okay, we can walk in the eightfold path. Okay, then Nawa means 9th. Okay, Nawa means 9th. Then Daswa. Okay, Daswa means 10th. Okay, these are the ordinals, 10 ordinals we have to use in the maths formulas and giving prizes to the people, students. Okay, while we are saying that first in Hindi we have to say that pehla. Like that we have to say. Okay, is it clear? Can you understand? Don't skip this video. Watch fully.